Caballo, the star of our show, is one of the most fastest jugglers in the world. And you'll get to see Greg juggle everything from bowling pins to basketballs, hula hoops, and even 5 tennis balls at once. Wow, he is amazing and really funny too. I'm also in the show, and I'll be singing songs from one of the biggest stars from the 50s, Connie Francis, who recorded over 14 albums. Connie Francis performed with recording stars from the past like Bobby Darin, Brenda Lee, Patti Page, Neil Sedaka, Carole King, and even Ricky Nelson, all the biggest teen stars from the 1950s and 60s. She starred in 6 movies. 6 movies! That's awesome! Connie Francis was a movie star and an international recording artist, and one of the most popular girls of her time. So won't you join us for our first show on Saturday, December 17th, and the show all the kids are talking about, our Christmas show on December 24th at 3 p.m. and our last show of the year on New Year's Eve, December 31st at 3 p.m. also.
It's the Greg Caballo Family and Fun Variety Show for kids of all ages. December 17th, December 24th, the Christmas Eve show, and December 31st, our New Year's Eve show for kids. All shows are matinee afternoon times. Tickets are $5 for kids and just $10 for adults. Reserve your seating now by calling 923-7469. That's 923-7469. The Greg Caballo Family and Fun Variety Show at the SOS Main Showroom in the Outrigger Waikiki Hotel.